Alrighty, what's going on today, guys? Today I'm going to be talking to you about the Holmes 32-inch oscillating tower fan. Holmes is essentially a company that makes a bunch of products like this. They have a lot of different fans in their product line, but there are a couple reasons why I chose the tower fan specifically. I've had this for a few years now. They're still making these, which is awesome. It's because they're so good. And, you know, we're busting it out now because it's getting hotter out here in LA. Summertime, you know, so it's time to break out the fans and, you know, stop using the AC units. But yeah, I'll tell you a little bit about this thing. So first thing you'll notice is this has a couple button settings on the top of the fan. So you have your on right here, boom. That's going to turn it on. You'll see that you have a 3-speed setting. 1, 2, 3. The highest setting on here, as you'll notice, can get pretty loud. So, you know, I would recommend that if you're, you know, sleeping with this or something, that you would probably never really use 3. I really never set it on 3. It just seems like a lot of power and a lot of work for no reason. And you also have the timer buttons right here. So when this is on, you can set it for 1, 2, 4, 8 hours. This is essentially so it will shut off after that amount of time, which is awesome if you're, you know, turning it on at night. Sometimes I'll have this on at night and I don't want it to run all night, so I'll do it, you know, for 2 hours. By that time, I'll definitely be asleep, and it's okay if this thing turns off. Then right over here, we have the oscillating button. Fan oscillates at about 180 degrees, pretty much. So, you know, you're not going to be cooling an entire room, but if you place it in the right area, you can get a pretty good amount of the room. This button right here, not totally sure what that is. I think it might be an energy saver thing. Something when I press it, it just like kind of has little bursts of air. It's really weird. I've honestly never used that, so I'm not really even sure why it's there. But yeah, all buttons do, as you can see, have the LED lights on them. One thing I will say is that because they're not right under the font or the text, it doesn't really help when you're in the dark. So if you're in a completely dark room, you're still going to need a light of some sort to be able to see what it is you're doing. They're pretty much just helpful to see what setting you're on, you know. Other than that, yeah, not most helpful in terms of light. So let's talk about the build for a second. Tower build is nice because it's really slim and can be, you know, pushed into the corner easily when it's not in use. You know, especially if you're using this in a bedroom setting, small bedroom setting, where you probably would be using it. It's cool because it doesn't, you know, get in the way. And when, you know, I wake up in the morning and I don't have it on, I can just put it in the corner. It's out of the way for the day until nighttime comes around, and then I can easily bring it back out. It's also super lightweight, so easy to carry around the house. Obviously, it's got the base right here. The base isn't the most sturdy thing in the world. It does kind of rock, but I wouldn't, you know, have any fear of this thing tipping over. And then you can also see there's a handle in the back. So you can pick up the handle, you know, easily carry it from room to room. Yeah, that's pretty nice. The one thing that I will say that's a bit annoying, and I don't know, seems like maybe like a little design flaw on their part, is the fact that the cord comes from under the fan, but doesn't have anywhere to come out. So it's just basically sitting on the cord. The base is sitting on the cord, making it a little, like, slightly lopsided. It's as if you were sitting on like a chair or something, and the chair had like a, you know, little stack of papers or something under. I don't know, you know, but it's not the best design, in my opinion. Other than that, it's great for bedrooms, great for small living rooms. I actually have a couple tower fans. This one is definitely my favorite. Like I said, I've been using it for years, and would highly recommend it to anyone looking for, an easier and cheaper way to cool off during the summer. Yeah, the Holmes Oscillating Tower Fan. Go check it out and stay cool. All right, bye guys.